Here's the video chart on ticker symbol SFOR. We'll take a look at the daily time frame. Been getting a lot of questions on this one. Got some yesterday after the big explosive move, and then today got probably even more wondering, is this move over? Is this the end of the story? And all I can say is right now you can't say that it's the end or anything like that because it's still maintaining above the key levels of support. No price can just keep going up and up and up. The point of the market is to make money. So with that being said, obviously there's going to be profit taking, and for the time being, I will just chalk this up to profit taking that probably turn into some panic selling. The reason I'm not, freaking out or jumping off a cliff is for multiple reasons. The first reason is just simply looking at the volume. It's not like this was some huge massive volume bar or anything like that. It was less than the breakout day, and as any volume analysis textbook or blog or whatever will tell you, on pullback days you want to see lower volume than the breakout day, and that's exactly what happened down there. So for that reason, nothing to completely freak out about. Now if you're a day trader and you bought up there, then yeah, you probably have a different perspective. But as far as the overall chart perspective is concerned, for the volume reason, nothing to panic about there. Now what are these support levels that I mentioned that have been maintained? Well, the key one, and really the one that needs to be watched like a hawk, is this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. That's valued at 0012. And the reason this is so important is lots of penny stocks, will make an explosive move like this. But the true question and the true test of strength is, is it a one-day wonder, or is there any sort of ongoing strength behind it? And with charts, that's very easy to measure. In this case, we're going to use the 50-day simple moving average to measure that. So the measurement is simply, as long as the price can remain above here, then this move does have some genuine strength behind it, and hopefully it'll head back up. But if the price does drop below it, then that's where the odds shift a lot more heavily to the, this looks just to be a one-time pop. But for the time being, you can see that the price is closed well above it. So as long as the price continues to close above this purple line, again valued at 0012, then you have to give the edge to the bulls and the benefit of the doubt to the fact that this has some genuine strength behind it. Now in terms of resistance levels, pretty straightforward here. The one has been broken twice intraday but never been able to close above, so therefore it's still a level of resistance, is right there at 0025. So 0025 is a level of resistance, but then the big one is going to be this pink line up here, which is the 200-day simple moving average. That's valued at 0037. So 0037 is definitely the kind of the big enemy up there, but on the shorter term, 0025 is going to be the level that you're going to want to see some prices or some closes get above. So again, just real quick, nothing to freak out about. People take profits. That's what this day was. But as long as the price can remain above the 50-day simple moving average, then again, you got to give the edge to the bulls and say that this still has some strength behind it. If there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our free newsletter up there. When you do that, you'll receive a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course, over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials. So I'd encourage you to make an investment into yourself as a trader and into your education and check it out. One more time, this was SFOR. Thanks for listening.